Welcome back, guys. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up.
What are we doing today?
We're doing fragile rocks.
Bedazzled rocks.
Bedazzled rocks.
Yesterday we went on a walk and we found a bunch of rocks.
Yeah.
So we're gonna paint them.
At Brother's football field.
Yeah, Brother's
Because
football field.
Because there was a ton of rocks on the side of on Brother's football field.
Yep. So we collected some. We're gonna paint them. We're gonna put jewels on them. We're gonna put sparkles on them. And
Well,
then
we need to get our rocks out first. It's green.
what color?
Green.
It's turning green.
You worked on yours.
Oh, Kenzie's making a nice red and yellow little rainbow. Look at that. All right, guys, we're going to keep at it, and then we'll come back and we'll show you our finished products.
Guys, we're moving right along.
Look at how far we're getting. Kenzie's already got a whole rock painted, and now she's on her second one. That's her first one. Now, guys, look at mine. Mine looks so cool, doesn't it? See how the blue and the green and the white all mixed together? I can't wait till they dry and we can put our little jewels and our little sparkles and our eyeballs. And then we got glow-in-the-dark glue that's got glitter in it. So we're
gonna put that on after the paint.
Yeah, we are, and we're super excited to see what it looks like when it gets dark. I can't wait.
Look at, guys, I'm done.
She's got 2 of them done already. Oh my goodness. Some kids are going to be happy when they find these at the playgrounds, huh?
Giant one.
You're going to paint the giant one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're going to run out of paint. All right, let's keep it going.
All right, guys.
We're almost
Almost
finished painting our rocks. There's all of Kenzie's right there.
Here's
And then-
my one. Here's mine.
And then this is the one she's doing now. And here's mine. That looks cool, doesn't it? I like all the colors in it and everything.
He has to work on another one. He has to work on another one right now.
Another one.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. All right. So we got a few more rocks left. We got to let them dry. And then we got to put the glitter and stuff on. I'm excited.
We both get... I'm going to get these 3. And you get these 1. And you get this one.
So you get 3 and I get 2?
Yeah.
Oh, that's usually how it goes, huh? You get more than me.
Yeah, it's gross. This is like a side of a barge. Barge is gross.
Barge is gross. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying painting rocks, isn't it? Look at guys, these are the ones that we got
The
so
kids
far.
are gonna be so excited at the playground.
You think so, Kenz?
Yeah.
I think so. I'd be excited if I was a kid at the playground and I got to get these. I'd be super happy. Look at this is the last one that I did. You can't really see the colors that much, but it's super cool looking. We really can't wait till these dry and we can put our glitter and stuff on them, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're going to cheat a little bit and we're going to put the glitter on when the paint's on it. Okay.
Yeah, but
Let's do
why
this.
don't I have to finish mine first.
All right, guys. So we're just going to go ahead and we're
We're
going to
gonna
put the...
cheat.
Yeah, we're going to put the glitter on them right now.
I'm gonna put
Kenzie's
this
going to
one.
pick the dark purple, and Daddy's got another purple one out. I already put some on one of the rocks. It looks so cool. So we're going to get this started here. And then we still got our eyeballs and our little sticky jewels to put on them. This is going to be so much fun today. Oh, look at her bedazzling. You're just using one color? Or you want more colors?
Yes.
We got a bunch of them. Oh my gosh, that's super sparkly. Holy cow. All right, we're going to keep putting the sparkles on, and then we'll do the jewels and the eyeballs. And we got pom-poms to put on them, too.
I'm going to put one bonbon on it. I'm going to put one bonbon on it.
You're going to put one pom-pom? Yeah. Just one? Yeah. Okay. Oh, a little pom-pom. Oh, she's cheating. She's using two.
No, three.
She's got three. A little sneaker. And paint all over her cheek. 1, 2. Where's the third one going? Where's it gonna go? Dun dun dun. Oh, we got it. All right. Let's keep it going, and we'll show you guys our rocks when we're all finished. That right there is a sheer face of intensity. Look at the focus. Just throwing sparkles everywhere. No regard at all. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys, so now it's time for our googly eyes.
They're dry.
Here we go.
They're dry.
What?
They're dry.
They're dry?
I said they're dry.
Ah. All right. Here's the googly eye.
Okay.
There's your googles.
Can I put glue on mine?
Sure. Oh, I got a googly eye right there. Where'd you put your googly eye? Oh, that's a big googly eye. We should put it on a big rock. Oh, we need a little more glue. Oh, that's such a cool looking rock. Look at guys.
Oh.
Look at that rock.
I'm gonna do little ones.
A little one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Can I hold it and you hold it?
There you go. Can you squirt it? Oh yeah, that's good. That's a ton of glue.
I don't care.
I know you don't. She don't care. She doesn't care.
Okay, let me put it on.
Okay.
And I got some.
Oh, your finger's all in the glue. My finger's all in the glue too.
Whoa.
Glue finger. What the heck? You got so much glue on it. Gluey.
No, you're not gonna see that one.
No, you're not. It's covered in glue. It's covered in glue.
Daddy, I'm gonna do a big one.
Why don't you let me do the gluing and then you can put them on?
I'm gonna do a big one.
Okay. There you go. I'll hold it. You glue it.
Because I'm not gonna put it everywhere this time, right?
That's good right there. That's all you need. That's all you need. All right. Got it? Alrighty. Make sure you put it on a big rock like that one.
Yeah,
That's a good rock.
Yeah, I was gonna put it on that one.
What? You were?
Yeah.
Why do I even tell her? You know? She already knew. Already knew. I'm putting a big googly eye right there on that one. I like a big googly eye right there.
Can I put a googly on this one?
A googly on that one? Sure. There's your googly. Oh. And another googly.
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm going to put one right here, because guess why? He's looking at you. He's looking at you. I'm going to make a face out of him. I'm going to turn him into a face.
I'm going to turn glue into a face.
Oh, geez. We can make the face with the glow-in-the-dark glue. Oh, my gosh. We're going to do it. So Kenzie is now controlling the glue, the eyes, everything. She's just totally in charge. Look at this. Look at this control. Little dibble dabble of glue.
Whoa! What?
Whoa!
Okay, we're done with that right now.
Oh, yeah, I think that's enough of glue, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. another. Look at all the googly eyes. Some kid's going to go to grab a rock and get scared. Oh, boy.
Get them somehow.
Oh, now we're going to use the jewels. Jewel time. Oh, boy. What jewels is she going with? What did she get? She got a row of greens. Oh, she's going for the... Oh, my goodness. She's got greens, yellows, reds. She's got it all. Oh, boy. What are you going to do with all those? Where are we sticking them? Oh, yeah. We're almost finished, and then we're going to take them down to the park, and hopefully some kids have a good day when they find these. So we're getting closer and closer. We got our googly eyes on. Now we're putting our pom-poms on. We got
I put that there. I told you it will fit.
Kenzie's going a little out of control. I mean, look at these guys. He's got an all eyes. He's watching you. But we're getting there. We're almost done here. And even though it's a little rainy and a little cold outside today, we're gonna brave the weather. And hopefully when this whole quarantine thing's over and kids start going back to the playground, they'll be finding our rocks. You can just start putting it on whatever ones you want. Oh, look at her squeezing so hard, and she's got it. That's our glow-in-the-dark glue right there.
Ooh.
Our sparkle glow-in-the-dark glue.
Oh, my hands.
Oh, my gosh. What's she doing here? Oh. Oh, look at that guy. We got a little smiley face. Oh, look at her go with that glow glue. All right, guys. We're going to finish this stuff off, and then we're ready to take these to the playground.
Guys, see my finger fingers. Okay, we're going to let these rocks dry, then we're going to go to the park and hide them.
Oh, yeah.
For other kids.
And then we took a little pine cone, and we took the glow glue, and we put it all around it.
Yeah, can I have it?
And now we want to see what it looks like tonight outside. We can't wait. Kenzie wants to show you guys her mess she made.
No, I want to show them all the rocks because they have glue on them. Here's Dad's bridge.
My bridge rock.
Here.
Oh, the googly eye rock.
See, guys, what's the forget one? Where did the forget one go?
Right, where is the forget one? Right, there's the forget one right there. He looks like a fishy. He's a fishy. All right, let's go get cleaned up and take these babies to the park.
You want to see my hand again?
Let me see. What? Let's see again. Whoa! Is that going to be there forever?
Yeah.
And ever?
Yeah.
What?
Look at my hands. Are you ready to see my hands?
Oh, where'd it go? Are you magic? You're a magician, aren't you?
Hopefully you like my video. Come back for the next one.